So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes, and now this will come up. You want to type in bcdedit space / enum space all. This will also be down below in the description. You can copy and paste it if you want to, and then click on enter, and now this will come up. You want to find Windows bootloader. I'm going to scroll up until I find Windows bootloader. Here it is. You want to find identifier under Windows bootloader, and you want to find this code right here. You want to copy and paste this. So highlight it and then do Ctrl+C to copy it. I recommend opening up a notepad. Just open up a notepad. There's going to be all these commands in the description. I recommend putting them into a notepad. Now you want to replace the GUID part with what you just copied right now from command prompt. Like that. Next, you want to copy this, so just highlight it. Do Ctrl+C to copy it. Come to CMD. Scroll down. And then do Ctrl+V to paste it. And then click on enter. It should now be saying the operation completed successfully. Next, we're going to check the winre status. We're going to see if it's actually enabled or not. So you want to type in reagentc space / info. Click on enter. If it's been enabled, then you're good to go. The problem should be fixed. If it's not been enabled, then type in reagentc space / enable, and then click on enter, which will then enable it, and then the problem should be fixed. And you should now be able to reset your computer if you wanted to do that. If it doesn't let you, then just restart your computer and then come back into reset this PC, and then you can now reset your computer.